Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we've done a bunch of the 2024s, Road Glide and Street Glide. We're delivering the last one this week. That's getting the simple 2 or 4 speaker setups. That's the one for the video today. Then the 2 that we have behind me and the ST that's on the ramp, plus the other ST that's coming tomorrow, are all getting mid-bass drivers in the bag. So it's going to be similar to the setup on my CVO. One of them's getting 10s, the other 2 are getting 8s, and the one that's coming tomorrow, we haven't decided yet. I have to go over it with the client. But the video I'm posting today is a little bit different. Instead of going with a coaxial in the fairing, this is stage 1 2-speaker setup that actually has horn tweeters in the grills. Sounded really good, 100% weatherproof. We went with the DMX carbon fiber mid-bass woofer and the horn-loaded 75T tweeter. So here's a quick video of the 2-speaker setup, and then we'll do a quick walkthrough on what these other 4 are getting. This one's from New York. This one's getting 10s in the bags. This one's from Virginia. This one's getting 8s in the bags. ST's from Maryland. It's getting 8s in the bags. So we're gonna do CH in the fairings. Hertz 690 Neos in the lids. Might do the carbon in the lids on this. Haven't decided yet. But it's definitely getting 8s. This is gonna be a stage 3 high power.
Big money for the enterprise. It's a beautiful day, I guess. For a bitch to roll with Andre, I guess. Roll it up, baby, come on, let that chest and roll it up for me when I'm stressed.